Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza in a microwave. First, select your base. A small tortilla or an English muffin works perfectly. Next, gather your preferred sauce, cheese, and toppings. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the process smooth and quick. This method is ideal for a fast, single-serving pizza. Now, let's assemble your pizza. Start by spreading a thin, even layer of pizza sauce over your chosen base. Then, sprinkle a good amount of shredded mozzarella cheese. Finally, add your favorite toppings, but remember not to overload it. Too many toppings can make the pizza soggy and prevent even cooking. It's time to cook your delicious creation. Carefully place your assembled pizza on a microwave-safe plate. Microwave it on high for about 60 to 90 seconds. The exact time depends on your microwave's wattage and the thickness of your pizza. Look for melted, bubbly cheese and a warm, soft base to know it's ready. Once cooked, carefully remove your hot pizza from the microwave. It will be very warm, so handle with care. Let it cool for about 1 minute before slicing to allow the cheese to set. For an extra touch, you can add fresh basil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Enjoy your quick and easy microwave pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.